Hello students, here's a quick video on how to play the easy guitar part for Dakota by Stereophonics in G major. This song uses 4 different chords. We use a G, an E minor, a C, and then sometimes a D5. So I'll just talk about those chords first and then we'll go into each section one by one. So the G chord is that easy G chord that we know and love. All you're going to do is put one finger on the 3rd fret on the high E, and then we're going to play down from the G string. So you've got an open G, an open B, and then that 3rd fret high E. Okay, so again, 3rd fret high E, open G, open B. Easy peasy. The next one is E minor, which is all just open G, open B, and open high E. So those bottom 3 strings. No fingers on the fretboard, just those 3 strings. Then the C chord, we're going to put one finger on the 1st fret on the B string. So elephants and donkeys grow big, okay? 1st fret, and then we've got an open G and an open high E. So strum down from the G string, and that's our C chord. So 1st fret B, open G, open high E. And then the final chord is that D5. Alright, so it's not like a full D, it's just an open D, and then one finger is going to be on 2nd fret G. So you just playing those 2 strings. We don't want the rest of them, okay? We just want the open D and 2nd fret G. Now on to the sections. First off is the intro, but for the first 8 bars in the easy guitar part, we don't play anything. It's just the keys and the main guitar part playing that first intro bit. The easy guitar comes in when the drums come in, and we're starting on that G chord. So our intro is we're going to be playing the G chord 8 times, then the E minor chord 8 times, C chord 8 times, and then back to the G chord 8 times. And when I say I'm playing them 8 times, they're just single beats, okay? So we're playing out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then to E minor. Then to C. And then back to G. Moving on to the verse now. Now the verse sections are the same each time, and they're using the same 3 chords that we used in the intro. The G, the E minor, C, and then back to G. Except this time, we're not going to be playing the 8 beats, we're going to be holding them for 8 beats. So instead of 1, 2, 3, we're going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then to E minor, 3, 4, 5, 6 to C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On to the chorus section now, and now we're back to playing those single beats. So now we're not holding the chords for 8 beats, we're going to be playing them. So in the chorus we're going to be playing the C chord, and we play that 16 times. So I tend to count that as 2 sets of 8. And then we go to a G chord, and we play that 16 times. Again, think of it as 2 sets of 8. Okay, and like I said, these are going to be single beats again. Okay, so you've got the C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the chorus is the same each time. Now moving on to the bridge section. Now this is where we get that little D5 chord. So in the bridge we're continuing with this same single beats, and we're going to be playing the G chord. We play that 8 times, okay, again single beats. Then we go to that D5 chord, we play that 8 times, okay. And then we go to a C chord, and we play that 16 times. So the bridge will sound like this. It will go 2, 3, and to D5, to C, simple as. So now we're going to have a little play through the entire song at a nice steady pace. We're going to come in straight away when the easy guitar comes in. We're going to avoid those first 8 bars at the start. So I'll give you a 4 count in, and then we're going to play through the whole song nice and steady. Okay, then here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. Then to E minor. Now to C, and back to G. Okay, first verse, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to E minor, 6 to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to G, and okay. And then we repeat 3 and G to E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now to C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and back to G. Okay, now we've got the chorus. 1, 2, C chord now. Now to G. Okay, and again repeat 2, 3, and C. And back to G. Okay, second verse coming up. 1, 2, 3, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to E minor. To C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back to G. 4, 5, 6, and repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now to E minor. And now to C, and back to G. Okay, the second chorus. 2, 3, and C. And back to G. And repeat, back to C. 2, 3. And now back to G. 3 and G. Okay, we've got the bridge coming up. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and G. To D5. And now to C. Back to G, repeat, and G. Now to D5. And now to C. Okay, third verse. 1, 2, 3, and G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to E minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now to C. And back to G. Okay, and repeat. Go G. 1, 2, 3 to E minor. And now to C, and back to G. Okay, chorus. 1, 2, 3, C. And now to G. second bridge and outro coming up. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and G. D5. And now to C. Again. Back to G. Repeat. D5. And now to C. Ready to start? 2, 1, 2, 3, and stop. And the last 18 bars is just the keys and guitar playing the outro.